People always used nature as the main source for treating and curing many diseases. The difference between conventional medicine and natural medicine is that the latter is cheap and does not cause damage. There is one potent natural drink that can treat many health conditions. For this miracle drink you only need chia seeds and lemon, and it will help you prevent flu, fat buildup, and cleanse the body. That is the main reason why many people start to consume it on a daily basis. We highly recommend it because it is very useful, easy to prepare, healthy and cheap. Lemon and chia miracle drink, when combined, these ingredients will provide a surprising result due to their potent natural properties. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of chia seeds juice from 1 squeezed lemon, 1½ glasses of water, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: first, soak the chia seeds for an hour. After an hour they will start to look like gel pellets due to their fiber content. Then strain the seeds and mix them with the lemon juice and water. The amount needed for the water and the lemon juice is mentioned above. Put the mixture in a blender and mix until a homogeneous mixture is obtained. Consume this every morning. How does it work? Well, this miracle drink speeds up the metabolism, and that is how you will start to lose weight easily and effectively. How does the lemon help for weight loss? Fights bloating, eliminates toxins due to the natural cleansing properties. Flavonoids, powerful metabolites, remove fat from your blood, contains only a few calories. The food is digested faster and better due to its alkaline content. The alkaline content actually increases the production of gastric juices. Prevents binge, and you don't feel hunger because the lemon has fiber that is soluble, i.e. pectin. The pectin works as an intestinal absorbent. How does the chia help for weight loss? Eliminate toxins and regulates the bowel function due to its content that is high in fiber. Fights and reduces bloating, promotes better digestion due to calcium contained in the seeds. It promotes satiety, reduces anxiety, and avoids binging. Speeds up the metabolism, which leads to burning fat in the waist and abdomen areas.